Hey, welcome back to a brand new video today. So the crypto market has been a bit shaky the past couple of weeks, but we still are in that bull market, ready for that last leg. And of course, for crypto trading, you will need a platform, which leads us swiftly on to PrimeXBT. So I will give you a beginner's guide today, show you how to get started with crypto trading and locking in profits on one of the most innovative platforms out there. Before we do get any further though, remember the usual disclaimer around here that nothing in today's video should be taken as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Treat this strictly for educational purposes. So PrimeXBT is a all-in-one platform. You can buy crypto, trade futures, copy trading, and much more. And they keep things super simple with their very clean interface, and they have a load of tools for the most advanced traders out there. So you can find a link down below to the platform to sign up. And then we can start with the signing up process for a brand new user. So you can come to the register page here, and this will take us, let's get started in less than a minute. So on the sign up screen, we can simply enter an email address. We can then enter a password. You can see here it needs to be 8 to 50 characters, one uppercase, one lowercase, and then you simply hit sign up here. After you have signed up with your email, we can see you will need to go over to your email address and copy a PIN just to verify your email. So here we can see the email we have received with the PIN. Remember, it's valid for 15 minutes. So then we can go back to the platform here, enter that verification PIN, then you can set up your country of residence and then get started on the platform. And there's an even easier way to register. If we go back to the start here, you can simply one click sign up with Apple or Google. So for example, the Google method here, we simply click on Google. You can see your Google accounts. We can select our Google account here, press continue, and then that will directly take us through. So now let's enter our country of residence here, and then of course just agree to the above, continue, and now we are into the platform. So one more thing that I should have let you know is there is a $100 welcome gift to new users. If we actually take a look, you can also look in the rewards center here. You can claim up to a bonus up to $500 if you deposit and trade before the time runs out. So here we can see if you deposit $500 worth of crypto within 48 hours of signing up, you will receive $100 in bonuses, which is very, very nice. So the exact transfer, of course, depends on what crypto. So for example, if you're doing $500 of Bitcoin, that's about 0.007 Bitcoin or about 0.14 ETH. So of course, check the price of the crypto before you do your deposit to make sure that you do qualify for this bonus. So then let's go over to the main screen here. We can of course see our deposit bonus. We have our wallet with all of our cryptocurrency balances. So the currencies we can use on the platform here, we have Bitcoin, we have PrimeXBT's Convesting token, Ethereum, US dollar, USD, and Tether for our wallet balance. Then we can see if we have equity and CFD trading, crypto futures, and copy trading here. So let's go over to the trading screen. Let's look at CFD trading. So what I like is you can actually decide to use a demo account or deposit on a real account, which is very nice. So for example, let's go on the demo account. We can see here, you of course can select your trading pair. We have hundreds and hundreds to choose from. On the right hand side, we have our chart. So of course we can change the time frame on the chart. You of course can change with bar candles. We can start drawing any resistant lines. So it's a very simple UI. However, if you even are a more advanced trader, you will really love PrimeXBT because they have all of the features packed into one package. So we of course can see crypto assets, But there are actually traditional finance assets in here as well. For example, we can trade aluminium, and we can do actually local forex pairs. So we have euro to GBP as well, which is very nice. So in terms of demo accounts, they do actually have contests for these. If we come over to the contest section, we have the CFD trading demo contests. So these contests run for basically about a month's time. We can see these ending soon. But if we view the contest by trading on a demo account, if you do certain amount of turnover, you can actually rank in these contests, which is super, super cool. Of course, if we are doing normal trading, so if we come over to a normal account, first, you of course will need to deposit a crypto. So on the deposit section here, we can press to deposit crypto. The currencies, which we have already touched on, these are your options. You'll simply enter your currency, and of course we can deposit into wallet, or you can move it around on the platform afterwards. Select the deposit network, of course, and simply here we can copy the address. Of course, depending on the network, this should arrive pretty quick. For example, if you do Bitcoin, this is slightly slow. That could be maybe 10 to 15 minutes. But the quickest I would say is if you use Tether and on the Tron network, that will be probably the quickest one here. Initially, alongside with crypto deposits, you can also deposit money and do cash transfers here. So you can pay to your wallet directly with a bank card. You will need to verify your account for this one here. And the third and final option we have, you can buy crypto directly with a card on the platform. And we can see you get the rate, of course, your currency, and depending on what token you are trying to buy. So they do have everything involved here. Of course, if you have any issues on the website, you can come over to the help center and the support chat. So they are available 24/7 along. Of course, when you do your deposit, your funds will be safe. And if you do have any questions, you can contact their support channel, which is great. So alongside the CFD trading, we can move over to the crypto futures tab. So here in the futures tab, we have loads and loads of features. For example, on the right hand side, we can market, limit, or set up a stop loss buy or sell. Additionally, you can use the leverage on the PrimeXBT platform here. Depending on your pairs, you can use up to 1000x leverage on the platform. But of course, you should use leverage as caution, as the higher the leverage you have, it's easier for the market to stop you out. On the right hand side, we have the order book. So this shows matching buyers and sellers at specific prices here. And we can, of course, see these amounts going through, which is really, really nice. And of course, we have all of these trading features again, like I had touched on. You can trade the minutes. We can draw lines here. You, of course, can pretty much add anything onto the platform. Of course, as a beginner trader, you can start kind of learning how to actually analyze these market trends and navigate your way through everything. And then here at the bottom, we can see our current positions, if we have any orders, fills, history, and then statistics, transactions, and equity. So once you, of course, have closed any trades, I really like that the PrimeXBT platform has these profit and loss cards. So these are useful for self-journaling to reflect on your trading strategy and decisions. You can see an example one here on the screen right now. So this will show you, of course, our trading pair, cross if it's long with the leverage, and of course your percent gain, or unfortunately in the case if it is a percent loss, and you can see your entry and current price on that one. So there are loads and loads of features. Again, we also have a copy trading function on this platform. So here we can look at some of the top traders on the platform and directly copy what they are doing. And of course, first you would set up your wallet balance and the amount for this copy trading. But what I also like is we can simply just click on these top traders and view their profits and show how they have been trading. So we can see their profitability, but the most important here is the trading history, and you can see what trades they have actually put out on the platform which is another great way to kind of learn and see what other people are doing. Again, what I love about this platform is how they do put users first. The dev team is constantly implementing new features to improve the user experience. And it's at the point where everything is working in a very smooth manner. And of course, we do have that customer support. I'm really impressed with what they're doing around here. Again, offering for beginners and seasoned pros. They combine innovation and powerful tools with a commitment to transparency that you can trust. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you next time.